Hello and welcome to another episode of the Back in Stock videos. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and we've been going through all the blue boxes and all the shelves and everything else around the warehouse to see what's available for your bike this week. So let's take a look and see what we found. First up this week is part number 131724, the engine lock toolkit for the Commando. That is £29.94 including VAT. Then we've got 131639, the inspection cover kit for the primary side of the Commando for the 69 to 74 versions. That's £32.34 including VAT. The Payson Surefire ignition kit is back in stock now. That's part number 131500. That is £147.54 including VAT. And the primary chain for the Commander Triplex, which is part number 060366, is £49.14 including VAT. And last but not least this week, part number 034070, the side stand leg for the 1968 Atlas, is £73.85 including VAT. And don't forget as well, as always, if there's any item I've not mentioned and you're really keen to get that item for your bike when it comes back in stock, there is a really easy way of getting an email sent to you when it comes back on our website. You can do that by clicking on the link in the section below, and it'll take you through the whole process in video form so you know how to set up your email reminder system. And of course you can get in touch with us here on the technical email address, which is at the end of this video, and every item I have mentioned is linked in the section below as well. Anyway, until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.